Need to have a module programmed? Save time and money and hire an experienced programmer directly from your tablet. Remote experts are here to professionally complete your module programming jobs. Just update your software and go. Effortlessly create an order with a tap on the screen to load a vehicle scan report. Extensive vehicle and system coverage with matched experts. Experts are on standby for immediate access. Online payment is simple and secure. Here's how it works. The technician connects the tablet to the vehicle via the VCI or VCMI, then plugs the Ethernet cable into the tablet to establish a stable connection between the vehicle and the remote expert. Experts will use Autel, OE and third-party devices to complete programming via an Autel MaxiFlash VCI or VCMI and the remote expert box. Automatic server matching to ensure low-latency connection. Communicate with the expert through voice, text, or video in real time. Expert feedback ratings promote trustworthiness. Expert services at your side.